What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can earn at an average of $115 plus per image that you upload to this website. But I first quickly want to show you right here, this can be a full-time job or a full-time business. Like these people right here from the United States, this person with the username Art Samurai has earned $256,000 on this website. This guy from Chile, $219,000. This guy from India, $211,000. Philippines, Georgia, Macedonia, India, United States again, Canada, Mongolia, Singapore. This is an international website that anybody can use anywhere in the world, and you can earn from anywhere in the world. And I'm also going to give you 4 free design tools that is going to do the work for you. And I'm also going to take you through each and every step in designing an image and submitting it. And I'm going to do that live for you to show you the process. And it's important that you follow that so you can learn exactly how to do that and replicate that. And this can be part-time or full-time. So these people right here are working full-time at this every single day. It's not that they're just sitting at home relaxing. They are working really hard at this consistently over time. And also, if you do stick with me, I'll give you a bonus website at the end that will pay you $200 to $1,000 per image design that you can submit. My name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur, software and web developer from South Africa. And on this channel, I teach you business models and ways to make money online in 2020 and beyond. So if you're interested in that kind of content, I submit and I upload bangers on YouTube every single day just for you guys. And if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But if you're ready for this video, make sure to strap in and let's get straight into it. So the first platform that I've got for you guys right here is Designcrowd.com. And this is a website, a pretty new website that is going to pay you for submitting images on this website. You can easily click on get started right now, or if I log out for you quickly, I'll show you now that you can just create an account on this website. It's free to do. You can click on register and you can enter your first name, email address, and you want to select on I am a designer. Click continue, and then you can submit logo designs or image designs and get paid for that. But I've already created my account, so I'm going to log in quickly with my details. And there we go. I have now logged in. You can see I can access my account, and you'll see right here, there's not only image designs that you can do. You can also do business card designs, web designs, flyer design projects, graphic designs, and t-shirt designs. And there's actually even more categories: 3D design, advertisement design, apparel design. There's so many different things that you can do on this website and get paid hundreds of dollars for. So for example, I'm going to choose logo design, which is the image design, and I'm going to show you what you can more or less get paid for this. So if I come over to jobs and click on logo design jobs, you'll see right here a Monsters Inc. strength and conditioning business logo, 190 euros. You will get paid to design this logo. But now, as a disclaimer, it is not guaranteed that you are going to get paid every single time for submitting a logo. But these tools that I'm going to show you will increase your chances and put you a step ahead of everybody else submitting image designs on this website. And it's free to do. It's completely free to sign up. As you can see, I just signed up right now. I can access these jobs and I can submit images. And if you win, you'll get paid for that. So you'll see right here, 300 Canadian dollars, 150 Australian dollars, 150 US dollars, 110 euros for a like a chef logo. A HR Kinetic needs a logo design, a logo design for a Lift Life, which I'm assuming is like gym or exercise, a logo for an on-demand delivery app, so an application design app. You can get paid $150 for designing that image. And you'll see right here, there's actually some web design jobs as well. 535 euros, $790, $550. And what you can do is you can actually search a plain old simple WordPress tutorial. I've actually got one on my channel. This video right here, building a 5,000 business per month drop servicing business live. I actually teach you how to create a website within this video. Free hosting, a free domain, and you can actually go and use that strategy and go and submit your designs for the web design as well that pays much more. So that is a really nice bonus and a cool gold mine that I'm giving you access to right here. This is all for free. And you'll see right here what they pay: $550, 340 euros, 220 euros for these web design projects, which is a lot of money. But that's not what we're here for today. We're here for the image design, which I'm going to show you now how you can create beautiful images and submit them and increase your chances of winning these logo design submissions, and earning €190, $150 plus per logo. And also, most of these people here are most likely using a logo designer such as Photoshop, which takes a lot of effort. It costs a lot of money to purchase a Photoshop license. And this is where in this video, I'm going to go through this tool or 4 free tools that you can use that will make logos just as amazing as Photoshop, and they are completely free and web-based. So you don't need to download anything on your computer either. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to the logo design jobs, and I'm going to choose a random one that I want to submit a logo or an image to. So what I'm going to do is, let's go have a look here. What you want to do is you actually want to go through them and try and choose one that doesn't have as many designs, meaning there's less competition, which also increases your chances of earnings. So you'll see right here, this one has 129 designs, which is a lot. So your chances of winning that is not as high. Let's see if I can filter this by the least submissions. You'll see right here, these ones now have the least submissions. So I'm going to choose this one right here, Monsters Inc. Strength and Conditioning. So if we read a little about this, we need to read what they more or less want as a logo. So you'll see right here, we are a strength and conditioning company that focusing elite athletes, experienced fitness enthusiasts who want to push themselves further when they thought possible. So we use Monica, we build monsters to show our commitment and results to clientele. So this has all got to do with fitness and the training industry. So what you can do is you can come over to a platform. This is one of the 4 tools that I'm going to show you called canva.com. You can actually click on the logo. You'll see right here, they've got a logo. Click on that and you'll actually see right here, they've got a ton of various logos that you can choose from. Here is sports right here. So I'm going to click on see all of the sports logo section because obviously fitness is related to sports. And if you actually have a look at their job post, you'll see right here, they give you sort of ideas and the fonts they want you to use, such as sans serif or script, and a logo with illustration or character. So basically their style of interest, and they'll give you an idea of what they're looking for. So they obviously like a little character in their logo as well. You can see you've got a ton of logos here as well. So if I have a look at one that's pretty cool, this one's actually pretty cool. I like the claw marks, which kind of reminds you of a monster sort of design, which relates quite nicely. So their business name, Logo Inc. is Monsters Inc. Strength and Conditioning. So that's what they want in the logo text. So what I'll do is I'm going to paste this here just like this. Shrink this a little bit, it's a little bit big. There we go. So that's the logo I've designed on Canva. It looks pretty cool. It's really simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this image as a PNG. There will be a big download button. Download this to your local computer, so it will then be preparing your design. I'm then going to come back to this logo design job right here. You can then click on submit design and you'll be able to submit the design that you've chosen or designed. But I've quickly got to verify some information on your account. You've got to do that before you can get paid, such as adding a payout method. They pay via Payoneer or PayPal, which is international payment platforms. So enter this information. And once I've verified my account, it will take me back to this page where you can click on submit a design and you can upload your design file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this file upload. I'm going to submit the picture that or the logo, the picture that I've designed. The design title, what you can actually do is just come back to that job page and you can literally copy the company's name. So Monsters Inc. Strength and Conditioning, Monsters Inc. Strength and Conditioning claw logo, which sounds pretty cool. So designer tags, we can do monster, let's go fitness, since the business's niche is into fitness. We can go blue because it's got the color blue in it. So you just want to add tags to it that's related to the specific logo that you've designed. We can also do black, which is a color, and that should be fine. Portfolio visibility, click on yes. Stock usage, have you included stock photos or clip art in your design? You can click on no because you designed this yourself. Your submission must adhere to the following guidelines. Read through this, click on understand, and you can then click on submit and upload. It will then process, and there we go. I have now submitted. Your designs have been successfully submitted for review. If it is approved and won, I will win €190, which is a decent amount of money for this job. So this is one tool that I've used, and 4 other tools that you can use for this specific method to automate this for you is a website called hatchful.com. So you can come over to Google, you can type in Hatchful. It will be the first link on your page right here on Google, Hatchful-Shopify. You can click here, get started, and you can choose various different amounts of niches. So for example, let's take fashion as an example. Click on next. You can choose something that's more bold, calm, reliable, classic. And another website that I've got for you guys as well is called Designhill.com. You can actually come over to the logo maker. You can type in the logo name, click on generate logos, and it will generate a ton of logos for you that you can submit. Yeah, you can see right here, it's automated it for you. You can download any of these and submit it to this job. And another design tool that I've got for you guys, what's nice about using all of these different tools is it just basically gives you a much more broader sort of look in your designs, making you more unique, is called freelogodesign.org. Same thing here, you can type in monster, for example. You can click on category and let's look for fitness, for example. We can then click on get started and you will see a ton of logos that will pop up on your screen right here. There we go. There's a ton of different logos that you can use, and you can also select from the various different categories on your left screen, such as food and drink. If I click on that, it will change that to monster food logos that you can download and submit to Designcrowd project. So what you can do is, now that you've got all of your tools, you can actually come back to the jobs, the logo design jobs, and you can submit to every single one of these different jobs from page 1 all the way to page 8, and your chances of earning will be very high. With all of the free tools that I've given you. And then of course, the bonus that I have for you guys, another website that is paying you $200 to $1,000 per image that you submit, is called logomyway.com. So I'm going to head over to that website and show you how to sign up, or where you can sign up and what you can earn. So click on get started, and you can see right here, all contests are prepaid, so you are guaranteed the prize amount. Contest prizes vary from $200 to $1,000, and you get paid within 24 to 48 hours. So if I click on logo contest, you'll actually see a ton of logo contests right here. $250, $375, Iron Horse Truck, $400, $200, $350, $560 for that contest here as well. So it is really paying well. So come and submit all your designs with the tools that I've just given you on this website as well. But I've also got something amazing for you guys. Right here on the screen, I've got a 41-minute video on how I built a 5,000 drop servicing business live in this free training course video. Make sure to go and click on that, because this video I'll teach you how to build an entire and sell high styling services that you don't even need to do the work yourself. It is super easy to do, so make sure to click on this video and I'll see you there.